Hello, welcome to lesson 5 of our training. In this lesson we are going to learn how to draw shapes using the shape tool and how to color the shape. Now let's start. We already have our background or our paper, so the first place to go is to go to the tool panel, and we are going to use this tool. We call it the shape tool. So the shape tool, another shape tool, we right click on the shape tool. You see that there are so many shapes. You have rectangular tool, you have rectangular tool for drawing rectangles and square, you have rounded rectangular tool, you have ellipse tool that is used to draw circles, you have polygons used to draw polygons from 3 sides polygon, 4, 5, 6 and others, and lines, then custom. But in this lesson we are not going to deal with custom, we are not going to deal with lines. We are going to deal with the first 4: rectangular, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, and the polygon tool. Now let's start with the rectangle tool. Click on the rectangle tool, you come to your work area, then you left click and drag, so you drag to the size of the shape that you want, then you leave it. You come to the right, you come to the shape again, the tool again, let's click ellipse. So you left click and you drag. You see we have our circle, then you come to that place again. Let's take polygon. So when you select the polygon, you come to the option bar. You see that at the option bar we have 5 at this size. 5, that means the polygon that you are going to draw to have a 5-sided polygon. So if you don't want 5, okay, let's draw the 5. Let's draw the 5. You see this our 5-sided polygon. Okay, so let's edit it. Let's say we want 3, so I've entered 3. Let's see what will come. You see 3. Let's say 7-sided polygon. So let's draw it. You see, this is how we draw shapes using the shape tool. Now let's learn how to color them. Now if you want to color them, we are going to use the effects, the color, the layer style icon. So you click on the layer that you want to color. Let's say I want to color the polygon with 7 sides, then it will be selected. Go to effects, go to color overlay, then you apply your color. Let's say red. If your work, if it's covering your work, you shift it somewhere a little so that you can see your work. I don't want red, so you change your color to red, to different color. Click on OK, then click on OK so that it hasn't applied. So you can select any of the shapes, then you go to effects, color overlay, then you select the color that you want from here, then OK. You can also use another way to apply color to your shape. Let's deal with that. You select your layer. Let me apply it to the ellipse, the circle. Then you go to edit, then you go to after you have selected it, you come and click. You make sure your triangle or your tool shape is selected. So you select the layer that you want to edit, then you come to the top here. You see that you have fill, and there's the black box here. Click on the black box, then you have so many colors that you can select from. So if the color you want is not here, you can still click on this mixture of colors here, this icon here, then the color picker icon will open. Then you click on any of the color that you want. You see, then you click on OK, it will be applied. There's another way. So if you want to use FX, you can use it. If you want to use the other way, you can also use it. Let's select polygon. Make sure your shape, your two shape is selected, then you select your polygon, you come to this side, click on it, then select any of the colors. Let's select any of the colors here, then your color will be applied. Let's deal with this. Sorry, let's select where's the art one. Okay, here's the polygon. We select it. Let's choose FX color overlay. Then so with this, you can also select a color from your already colored, the color that you have on your work already. So you can select it from any of this. So with this selector, you can come to your work and click on any of the color you want. Let's say you want this color, you click on it, the color will be applied to it. If you don't want that one, you want this, you click on it to appear. If you want that one, you want this black, you click it. Any color on your working area, you can pick it. Any color on your working area, you can use the color picker tool to pick it. So that's how we apply colors to our shape. Thank you for watching.